Welcome back to the tool crib. Well, I've already cut this out, so I'm kind of recording this out of order a little bit, but where I've been for the past couple of weeks is getting my CNC back up and running. I've had this machine in storage for a little while now. Had to get it cleaned up, all new slats. The torch at one time had gotten stolen, so I had to replace the hypertherm unit and the torch. So it's been a little bit of a struggle to get this thing back up and going. So this is a 5x10 Torchmate X water table. And I routed all my cabling so that it stayed up off the floor. Everything runs over to the cabinet, and I built this little stand here so that I could put the air refrigerator up there and get the plasma cutter up on the top side. And what we're cutting out today, or what I've already cut out, is this little guy, little Yorkie Terrier for my wife. So let me show you the process of how this goes together and what it looks like when we get done. So after I got everything sanded down on both sides and threw a coat of paint on it, this is what it turns out looking like. So not too bad. I got a few settings I need to tweak on the machine though, because I noticed that the torch tip was dragging just slightly in a couple places through some of those more intricate cuts. So that has to do with the initial pierce height. I just need to raise it up just a little bit, and I think that'll cure the problem. But this is what I made for my wife on the first cut. of getting my Torchmate CNC back up and running. My name is Ben. You've been watching the Texas Tool Crib. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.